video, we will me, the the director Rachel, and an actor Lizzie. We will be performing what's the film called, Rachel?
The Best Friends movie.
Best Friends movie. And I will be playing Natalie. Lizzie will be playing Lizzie. And Rachel, what are you playing? The director?
The director.
She's going.
Lizzie.
So Rachel, what are we doing?
I told you this before we recorded.
No, you have to tell the camera.
Oh.
This is the line right here. You stand behind.
Okay, stand behind the line.
Ooh.
Okay. Today we are going to have Natalie. She is going to invite Lizzie over to spend the night. They're going to do a lot of wacky stuff.
You're telling them.
Yeah, because we'll be telling them the main idea of the movie. Okay. Lizzie?
Hi,
Well,
you're
oh,
supposed
yeah,
to be
sorry.
outside.
Yes, you're supposed to be outside. Have to remember.
Wait, I'm trying to get
You're disgusting. Okay, get in your position. Light, camera, action! And then now, action. It's really scared of light.
Okay.
Face it at the light. Face on the light now. Time for the bell.
I'm really bored. I should call my friend. Let's see how Lizzie's doing. Hey Lizzie, you wanna come over?
Sure.
Okay, I'll see you soon. Yeah, 'cause you'll probably spend the night. Okay, bye.
Lizzie, come. Get your stuff and move in.
My DIY thing. Find it on Etsy. Creative Dolphin 04 on Etsy.
Come in. No, let her in.
Welcome, Lizzie, to my wonderful home of night. This movie's gonna be funny.
Just set it down, Lizzie. We don't care if you break the iPod.
Okay.
Shut the door, Natalie. Oh, we
don't
let him
want
go in there. Okay. Now you guys, guess what she's going to do?
So, girl, like, what should we do? We're so bored. Why is this falling? No. Oh, turn that on. Okay, good.
Make sure you click it.
Okay. So, like, we should totally prank call people.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Alright. Wait. Where did my phone go? When I was told to answer the door, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pretend I'm calling a tiny duck dance. Hey, little bop bop. I forgot what I was gonna say. Here, I'll try. Oh, hi, yes. This is a Chinese restaurant with cutting your call. You said you wanted fries, and what would you like with these fries of yours? Oh, okay. Wait, I forgot. You don't say fries. Wait, I forgot. I'm an Italian. We work at an Italian restaurant, and also yeah, bye. Alright. So, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna call Wendy. Wendy. So every time they say something, I'll repeat it back. Hi, Wendy.
Hi.
So, what are your specials? We don't have specials. Why? Because this is Wendy. You suck. Actually, your chicken nuggets are really, really good. You agree? No, this is just getting awkward. It's a bad time. She hung up on me!
Wait, guys, I'm gonna play play a special part. I'm gonna play a special part as the mom. You guys have to act like you're sleeping. So pretend you guys Natalie, pretend that you guys heard me coming up fast so you fell asleep quickly. Wait, look at this. You're grounded. Where's my phone go? Go to sleep. Oh, I have it. Sorry. Go to sleep, honey.
Finger, finger, finger.
Oh my god.
That's what I say to her.
Turn it in the house. I said, go to sleep. What kind of mom do you have? Go to sleep. Action. This is an action, bro.
Your mom is scary. Agreed. How can you sleep at night?
We don't even have any windows. Stop.
This is a movie. Nothing is real.
I'm making the movie fiction.
You really need to come to my house.
I will kill you in your sleep. Guys, this is not part of the movie. We're just trying to be funny. Woo!
Whoa!
We're not actually trying to. This is how we work every day.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Out. Yeah. Let's just get a few prank calls. Yeah, everybody be quiet. Everybody sit on the bed. Wait. I'm your friend. You can't call me. Okay. Today we are going to talk about a very serious problem. Are you looking at me? Am I a problem? I'm picking problems. So, that's crazy.
You both are mentally insane. And you you're the more less mentally insane than this.
My foot fell asleep.
I don't know how you can fall asleep. You're banging it everywhere.
Okay. Yeah, don't try to. I forgot to turn the light on. Sorry? Oh my god, you can't. Yeah, we saw your face.
Okay, guys, everybody come close to the screen for a second.
Oh, yeah.
Rachel,
I'm stop, or
Sorry.
you won't be in the next video.
okay. So now, this is...
Did you just turn off
Wait,
our lights?
Yeah!
Yay!
Sorry, my screen turns off after a while. So, this is our bloopers. If you don't know what a blooper is, look it up, because you're pretty stupid. Jacob, you're bad watching this.
I have a question.
You're stupid.
What a blooper.
Me neither. What's a blooper? A blooper is when somebody really screws up on something.
I'm searching that up.
Basically, you're a blooper.
I'm searching that up.
Go ahead. Okay, thanks for joining us.
Where's your internet?
Thanks for joining us in this video, and bye-bye.
When it happens, 1, 2, 2, 3, try!